And Mr. Wilson. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You are being charged this morning by a warrant signed by Judge Smith in case number 17 CF 1168 with the charges of attempted aggravated battery on a pregnant woman, grand theft of a firearm, and aggravated battery attempted with a deadly weapon. Since that time, that warrant was signed by Judge Smith on December 28th, 2017. Since that time, the state of Florida has filed an information against you, Mr. Wilson. The information charges attempted aggravated battery on a pregnant person, grand theft of a firearm, and attempted second-degree murder. Is it your intention to hire a private attorney to represent you today, sir?
I'm going to try. I need to talk with some outside sources.
Okay, who do you want to hire?
I'm unfamiliar with the area.
Okay, so if you're not familiar with the area, Mr. Wilson, we are under no obligation to contact an attorney for you. Would you like the public defender's office to stand by?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you working, sir?
I was before I was incarcerated.
Where were you working?
Coastal Cable Construction.
I'm sorry?
Coastal Cable Construction.
And how much are you earning?
75 salary.
500 a week?
75 a year.
75 a year. Do you own a house or any land?
No, I lease.
Do you own a vehicle or a truck?
No, I drove a company vehicle.
I will conditionally appoint the public defender's office to represent you today, sir. You will need to fill out more detailed financial documentation at your next court date if you wish to continue with their services, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I have reviewed the 707 arrest affidavit and the underlying 707 as well as the information filed by the state attorney's office. I will find probable cause for the charges. State, do you have a position on bond? Okay, Mr. Buckhammer.
Your Honor, I think leave it at that with leave, obviously, for us to file a motion for bond reduction at a later date.
Mr. Wilson, are you able to post the bond as at $150,000?
No.
Okay. I do find it reasonable considering the increase in the charge of the count 3. So I will leave the bonds as set at $50,000 per count, total of $150,000. I am going to order, Mr. Wilson, that you have no contact with Ashley Wilson. No contact means none whatsoever, not in writing, not through a third party, no contact at all. This applies whether you are in custody or out of custody. If you needed to return to any mutual residence, you would need to do so with law enforcement to obtain your personal belongings only. You understand, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Laura, did you want me to go through the extradition stuff with Mr. McElroy?
No, that won't matter until Volusia's done with him, so they can.
Okay.